in the last class, we were discussing groups with small orders. These three words have the same meaning. Non-isomorphic groups, that means different templates. Different templates. Okay. Or I can say that this word, sometimes people use this word up to isomorphism. Up to isomorphism. This word, what this word means, let me tell you. This word up to isomorphism. This simply means that you have to consider non-isomorphic. This simply means that consider non-isomorphic. Consider non-isomorphic. Non-isomorphic. Okay, so remember, this we will see, this word up to isomorphism, this word we will see in graph theory. I will come back to this point. This isomorphism is a concept of graph theory. So in the graph theory, I will tell you what is this isomorphism, what is this up to isomorphism. But for now, you just understand that up to isomorphism, that simply means, okay, that consider non-isomorphic groups. Okay, so that is the idea. Now, so all these three things are same. Different template. This is just for understanding purpose. This is informal idea. This is for understanding. Just for understanding purpose, I am telling you this. Okay. Order to group template. This we have already seen. Order to group template. What is that? And that this is the template. If you notice, E comma A, E comma A. So because it is a group, so this will have to be E. This has to be E. There is no other choice. You cannot put A. If you put A, then they will be same. But in a group, because it is a group, so you cannot have different elements. Sorry, you cannot have same elements in a row, because we are talking about a group. So this is the group. Okay, order to group template. Only one. And this is abelian also. You can notice this is abelian group also. This is commutative also, because there is a symmetry here. You can notice. First row is same as first column. Second row is same as second column. So you can notice this is abelian group. I can say every order to group is a abelian group. Can I say? Because only one template you have. So every order to group is a abelian group, correct? Every order to group is abelian group, right? Because only one template you have for order to group. There is only one template, only single template. So every order to group is abelian group. Now let's come back to order 4. In the last class, we were discussing order 4 groups. Okay, group templates. So how many templates you can have? Templates means non-isomorphic. Template basically means non-isomorphic. So I'm talking about non-isomorphic. How many non-isomorphic groups you can have with order 4? And I'm talking about group. Okay, so in the last class, we have already seen you have order 4. Then how many you can create? Let's check. So for example, let's assume you have these 4 elements, E, A, B, C, E, A, B, C. Okay, then do I have any choice in the first row? Is there any choice in the first row? Tell me, is there any choice in the first row? Do I have any choice in the first row? There is no choice in the first row. There is no choice in the second column, first column, right? There is no choice. Yellow color means there is no choice. Yellow color. This yellow color means there is no choice. Now here I have choice. At this point I have choice. Okay, so let me put A here. Let me put A here. What is another choice? Anyone want to tell me what is another choice? So I can put A here. Another choice, what that will be? So if you notice, E, A, B, C. Okay, E, A, B, C. So I can say there is no choice here. This will be same A. Okay, this will be same A, B, C. But another choice that I have is I can put B here. I can put B here. And there is one another choice, and that is I can put C here. Okay, another choice that I have, that I can put a C here. Okay, so let me just put E, A, B, C, E, A, B, C, and the another choice. So here there is no choice. This will be E, A, B, C. This will be E, A, B, C. The another choice that I have, I can put C here. Okay, let's consider these. Yes, E is also there. Don't worry, I will come. So this E is also there. You can put E also. Okay, so this E, A, B, C, E, A, B, C, and then finally Okay, there is no choice here. Yellow means there is no choice. Yellow means there is no choice. Now here I can put E. So these are the four possibilities. Yes or no? These are the four possibilities. See, yes, correct. This possibility is not there because A is repeating. So this template is definitely not correct. Okay, so because A is repeating, so this template is definitely not correct. Or what I can do like this. Let me do like this. So because A is repeating, so this template is wrong. This template is not even a group. This is not a group. This is not a group because this A is repeating in a row. Okay, so this is not a group. So these are the two choices I have. Correct? Yes or no? Now, okay. So this was our choice. This was our choice. Now tell me. Okay, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Do I have any choice here? Is there any choice here? Is there any choice here? See, A comma C we have, A comma C we have. So B comma E is remaining. Can I put B here? No. I have to put E here. Only E. There is no choice. There is no choice. Now tell me, can I put B here? Sorry, can I put C here? Oh, wait. Can I put B here? Tell me, can I put B here? No, I have to put E here. Then I have to put B here. Now tell me, okay, what choice I have? Okay, so for example, what can I put here? Can I put C here? At this point, can I put C? Can I put C here? At this point, I have to put A. I cannot put C. I cannot put C. I cannot put C, so I have to put A. Now automatically this will be this will be automatically this will be C. Now, okay, now you can notice that automatically this will be A and this will be E. Okay, so is this clear? So you can notice if I put C here, if I put C here, there is no other choice. If I put C here, then only this will be created. Only here I have choice. Only here I have choice. Okay. Now, similarly, if I put B here, now what will happen? If I put B here, now what will happen? Now here it will happen that I have to put, I cannot put C here. I cannot put C here. C I cannot put. So I have to put E. Okay, so it will be C. Now automatically what will happen? I cannot put C here. This C I cannot put here. Okay, this I cannot put here. So I have to put E. So it will be C. Now automatically you can notice that this yeah, CE. So this cannot be B. I cannot put B here. I cannot put B here. So because this is CE, so this will be A and this will be B. Okay, and this will be BC E and this will be C. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, agree. So if I only have choice here, nowhere else I have choice. Now, but there is one interesting thing. What is that? There is one very interesting thing. Actually, if you notice, these are isomorphic. These are actually isomorphic. There is interesting thing here that these are isomorphic. Why these are isomorphic? Why these are isomorphic? See, if you notice one thing, these two are isomorphic. These two structures, they are actually isomorphic. Why they are isomorphic? Because you can see that the role, what is this structure? I can say this structure is E, comma, one element is inverse of itself. Okay, yes or no? This one element is inverse of itself. One element is inverse of itself. So I can say that this is E comma X, where X is inverse of itself. Okay, so where X is inverse of itself. So I can say this is E comma X, where X is inverse of itself. You can notice in this structure, only one element is inverse of itself. Apart from E, only one element is inverse of itself. Is it clear? So this X is inverse of itself. I can say X inverse equal to X. And the remaining two elements are inverse of each other. What is the inverse of A? What is the inverse of A? Inverse of A is B. What is the inverse of A? Inverse of A is B. So inverse of A is B and inverse of C is, so you can notice that the remaining two elements are inverse of each other. Means Y inverse is Z, Z inverse is Y. Is it clear? This structure is like this. This structure is like this. Okay. We have identity element. One element is inverse of itself. The remaining two elements are inverse of each other. The same structure we have here. Yes or no? The same structure we have here. The same structure we have here. So I can say that one element, one is identity element. One element is inverse of itself. Which element? One element is inverse of itself. One element is inverse of itself. One element is inverse of itself. So you can notice that B is the inverse of itself. This B, this is the inverse of itself. And the remaining two elements are inverse of each other. The remaining two elements, they are inverse of each other. Is this clear? The remaining two elements are inverse of each other. So what I am saying that these two structures are isomorphic. Don't worry, isomorphism of groups is not in GATE syllabus. Don't worry. Okay, so in the GATE exam, they will not ask you this. Isomorphism of groups. You don't have to study this for GATE syllabus. Not required for GATE. Not required for GATE. But this concept is actually very simple if you understand. Isomorphism basically means that they have same template. Isomorphism means they have same template. So if you notice these two have same template, can you notice these two have same template? Okay, if you notice these two have same template, because you can notice there is one identity element, here also identity element, here also identity element. Here also one element is inverse of itself and other two elements are inverse of each other. Here also one element is inverse of itself and the other two elements are inverse of each other. So these two structures are actually isomorphic. Is this clear? Is it clear to everyone? Anyone has any doubt in this? And if I put E here, now what will happen? Tell me. If I put E here, now what is going to happen? So here I have choice. If I put E here, then here I have choice. And what I can do, so you can just think about it. So I cannot put B here. I cannot put B here. So I have to put C here. It will be B. Okay. And what about this? What about this? I cannot put B here. So I have to put C. I have to put B. Okay. Now another choice I have here. The next choice I have here. The next choice I have here. If I put E here, then what will happen? Then I have to put A here, E here, and A here. But remember, if I don't put E here, at this point, if I don't put E, if I put A comma B, any of them, let me put A comma B, whether I put A or whether I put B. Okay, B is not possible, C is not possible, right? B comma C, these are not possible. So either I can put A, that's it. Okay. Okay, so you can notice that this. Now, can you notice that this template we have already seen? This is the same as this. This template we have already seen. What is this template? You have identity element. There is identity element. And you can notice that one element is inverse of itself. One element is inverse of itself. Which element is inverse of itself? A. Element A is inverse of itself. And the remaining two elements are inverse of each other. The remaining two are inverse of each other. This template we have already seen. Yes or no? This template we have already seen. So this is isomorphic to, if I call them, let me call it structure 1. Okay, let me call it structure 1. Let me call it structure 2. Okay, and let me call it structure 3. And let me call it structure 4. Now what can I say? I can say that structure 1 is isomorphic to structure 2, is isomorphic to structure 4. So, but this is different. This structure 3 is different. What is happening here? This structure 3 is different. What is happening here? Here every element is inverse of itself. Here every element is inverse of itself. This is a different structure. Here every element is inverse of itself. Here every element is inverse of itself. So final conclusion, remember one thing, let me tell you, isomorphism of group, that is not required for GATE. So don't worry if you did not understand isomorphism, then don't worry, okay, because that is not required for GATE. But one point that I want to say, what is that point? The point is that these three structures for group of order 4, if you notice, group of order 4, then for that how many structures we get? Like if you do this E A B C, then what will happen? Then if you take this, then what will happen? Let me tell you that structure 1 is isomorphic to structure 2 is isomorphic to structure 4. These are actually isomorphic structures. In all these structures, what is happening? Can anyone tell me what is happening in all these structures? In all these structures you have, there is something called identity element. One element is inverse of itself, and the remaining two elements are of inverse of each other. The remaining two elements are inverse of each other. They are inverse of each other, correct? This is your template. One template is this. Okay, very simple, very simple. See, structure 1, structure 2, structure 4. These are isomorphic because one element is inverse of itself. The remaining two elements are inverse of each other. And there is structure 3. What is structure 3? Structure 3 is like this. Every element is inverse of itself. In structure 3, what is happening? That every element is inverse of itself. X is inverse of X, Y is inverse of Y, Z is inverse of Z. And so every element is inverse of itself. So basically for order 2, order 4, okay. So both are abelian. Yes, you can check. You can check it out. Both are abelian. You can notice this is abelian, right? Yes or no? You can notice this structure is abelian. Just check it. This structure is abelian because this is symmetric. First row is same as first column. Second row is same as second column. Third row is same as third column. Fourth row is same as fourth column. So this is abelian. And also this is abelian. This is also abelian. Because first row is same as first column. Second row is same as second column. Third row is same as third column. And fourth row is same as fourth column. So this is also abelian. So finally I can say both are abelian. So this is the final conclusion. Let me make the conclusion here. Order 4 group templates. Order 4 group templates, only 2 are there. Okay, so I can say that only 2 non-isomorphic groups you have. Only 2 templates you have. Basically, only 2 templates you have. Non-isomorphic groups templates you have. Okay, only 2 non-isomorphic group templates you have. The templates are also, and both are abelian. Okay, the templates are also important. In one template you have this type of situation. These templates are also important. Okay, in one template you can notice that this is the template. One template is like this, and another template is like this. Okay, so one template is like this and another template is like this. So 2 templates you have, and both are abelian. Both are actually abelian. So only 2 groups you have, only 2 non-isomorphic group you have, and these are the templates, and both are abelian. Let's see this question. What is the answer? For this question, what will be the answer? How many different non-isomorphic abelian groups of order 4 you have? So the answer will be option. Okay, answer will be 2. And let me tell you one more thing. If I ask you only groups, then what will be the answer? If I ask you how many non-isomorphic groups you have, then also answer will be 2. If I ask you abelian group, then also answer 2. If I ask you group, then also answer 2. And they can also ask you the templates. Only 2 templates you have. Okay, non-isomorph. How many? Of order 4. Order 4. Remember, only 2 templates you have. There are only 2 templates. And these templates are important, remember. Okay, they can ask you these 2 templates. And let me tell you one more thing. The topic was groups of small order. If you understand, groups of small order, because they will not ask you group of large order. They will not ask you how many groups of order 18 are there. Okay, is this clear? They will not ask you how many groups of order 18 are there, how many groups of order 100 are there. They will not ask you. So that is the reason topic is groups of order 1, 2, 3, 4. I will tell you some more. After some time, I will tell you group of prime order. That also I will tell you. Okay, but right now, just understand these. Right now, our purpose is to understand only these one. If the question will ask you non-isomorphic, non-abelian group, then what will be the answer? Now what will be the answer? Now answer will be 0. Now here answer will be 0. Non-isomorphic, non-abelian. So their answer will be 0. Okay, so that's the point. So finally, can I say this note? Can I say this note? Can I say this table you can take? Here I am writing the group order. Here I am writing the group order. Here I am writing the how many non-isomorphic groups you have. How many non-isomorphic groups you have, and how many of them are abelian. How many non-isomorphic abelian groups you have. So you can notice order 1 only one, order 2 only one group, order 3 only one group. So for these only one group we have, only one template, and this is abelian. This is abelian also. This is abelian also. For order 4 we have 2 and both are abelian.